How do we calculate sales target? How do we come up with accurate volume forecasting?
Welcome to Business and Management Podcast.
Hello, my friends. How are you doing? I hope that you always be healthy and successful. Welcome to the Business and Management Podcast with myself as the host, Marchell Ludy. In today's episode, we are diving deep into the art of volume forecasting. Let's say you are a marketing manager of a skincare brand. You are about to release a new soap to the market. What should be your sales target? Volume forecasting is of utmost importance. An accurate forecast ensures stable financial planning for your business. On the flip side, a massive volume forecasting usually will cause supply issue. You don't have enough stocks to sell. Or inventory issues. You have too many products piling up without any shipments at all. The principles behind volume forecasting is actually pretty simple. Just remember the three key words: awareness, trial, and repeat. Let's break them down one by one. Awareness. How many people are aware or know about your product? Awareness is the fundamental first step. Simply put, if nobody is aware of your product, nobody is going to buy it. Trial or market penetration. Among all of the people who are aware of your product, how many of them are willing to try your new soap, your new product, even just one time? Repeat. Among those who have tried your product, how many of them becomes repeat customers? How many of them are buying your product for the second time, third time, and subsequent times? For example, let's say you are selling a new brand soap to the market. If you are targeting a region or a market with a size of 100 million population, let's just say that, and 10% of them are aware of your product, this means your awareness level is 10%. Now, let's assume that only 50% of people who are aware of your product are willing to try to buy just once. This means only 5 million populations are willing to try your product even just once. If the consumption is just one pack of the soap bar for each of the consumers, then the sales volume from the first trial consumers are just 5 million soap pack. Now, let's assume that only 20% of those 5 million consumers are becoming your repeat customers. This means your repeat customers are only 1 million people. Let's assume those repeat customers are buying your soaps twice a year. Every time they buy your soap, they only buy it for one pack of soap only. Now, the sales volume from your repeat customers are 1 million customers times 2 times repeat purchase per year times 1 soap pack per purchase equal to 2 million of soap packs per year. Therefore, the total sales volume for your soap is the sum of the first trial plus the repeat consumers. We have calculated that the first trial will give you 5 million sales of soap packs. The repeat customers will give you additional 2 million soap packs. So the total sales target for the year will be 5 plus 2 equals 7 million of soap packs per year. To sum up with this case study, from a total of 100 million population, only 10% are aware of your product. This means only 10 million people are aware of your products. Out of those who are aware, only 50% of them are willing to try your soap, even just once. Out of those who tried your soap, only 20% become your repeat customers. Those repeat customers are buying your soaps twice a year with just one pack of soap for each time they purchase. Therefore, in this scenario, the total sales volume is 7 million soap packs per year. The math is quite straightforward actually, just basic arithmetic calculation. No need the complex integral or trigonometry. Right? What about you? What methods do you use to calculate the volume forecast in your business? Feel free to share in the comment sections below. If you feel that this podcast is beneficial, please click like and subscribe. Don't forget to share with your friends so we can spread the benefits. Thank you so much. May you always be successful. All the best.